Today I'm going to show you how to create a automatic backup of a puppy save folder. I'm on pup64 CE4 puppylinux, and this is my daily driver. And first thing we'll have to do is we'll have to create a script. So I've made it easy for you, so all you have to do is just drag this, and I'll put this under description here, and we're gonna copy that, and then we'll go ahead and start a terminal, and we'll put it on the left side, and then middle mouse click. So what he'll do is he'll first go to my applications bin folder, and there is going to create a file with a touch command. After that's done, it's going to make that file executable, and then it's going to open up in the geany here. So that's the plan, and we will, when I activate it, we should just be left with a blank screen on the geany. So we'll go ahead and enter. So here it is. So now we won't need this. So we'll close, and then here I'm gonna cheat. So it's on going to cheat, and the little snip of a code is needed is here, and then we're just going to copy that. And what it says is that it's going to give you a little warning when it's running that it's backing up the save folder, and then we'll have to the source and the target is going to be identified. And then we're gonna give a little bit of pause, 3 seconds, and then we're gonna be running this command, which is rather than copy command, rsync command is similar, but it'll be more complete. And then it's going to the delete option is just to make it exactly identical. Your source save folder and then target save folder is going to be exactly identical. Let me just go ahead and start. Here's where my save folder are located on this partition. So so when you look at the folder structure, your save folder should also be in mnt/home folder. Okay, now with mine, I put it further, one level further into a further save folder. So here it is. This is where my save folders are. And so within this save folder, here's a source save. It's only going to copy the last 4 save words. So here, let me just make it more clear. I'm just going to open up a terminal on the save folder, and here is and then when I run the ls command, it has several save folders. From this one, from bookworm pup64, for example, and then but I created a save folder just for this demonstration, so I just want this save folder to be copied over. So, but if you want the other ones with M73 copied over, then you need to change this to M73 here. But I'm just gonna copy the save folder, and then we're gonna put it in the target partition and folder. So here, my target with mine, put it in this partition, and then I created a Z folder. So you can create it with a directory here, and I've created the Z folder. So it should go in there once the script runs. Okay, so obviously with your computer it may be different. And then it's gonna run this here, grab the source, save, and then put it in the target, and it's going to show you, it's going to open up a rocks filer and then in the target. So we'll just go ahead and save that. And we didn't create it yet, so we're gonna just grab this, copy, and then we're gonna put it into the script file, and then we'll go ahead and save the file. Now what we want to do is just go ahead and briefly run the script, so we can run it with a we'll start bkup.sh. Okay, so we created this and it's in path, so we'll just go ahead and trigger it, and then so it says back up the save folder, and it's doing its thing, and you notice that it's showing up in our target folder Z, and we'll just go ahead and give it a second. So now this is all done, and then we're just going to just close it, and then here we're just going to take a look inside, and it's in mntSDA6 Z folder as we instructed. So here it is. Okay, so now once that we know that the script works fine, what we want to do is put it in automatic F12, and then system, it'll be right there. So when you just open it up, it's going to be blank. This is my own, and actually this bkup.sh is exactly the same, but it's just going to be blank. So what you want to do is go ahead and schedule a new task, and then bkup.sh, bkup.sh, and then let's say you want to run this every morning at 8 o'clock. So 08:00, and every day you do that. Okay, so then it's going to run every day. Now if you want to do it once a week, which I do not recommend, you have to just go ahead and pick a day, but we're just going to run it every day. And then we're just going to go ahead and apply, and then now you see here, and it's going to run every day. It's going to run the script bkup.sh, and then you want to make sure that enabled cron service is ticked on. It's hard to see, but it is ticked on. Okay, and once you do that, and then if you just go ahead and test it again, you go ahead and do that again and execute. Now it's going to test it again one more time, but I won't do that.